Okay, the question has come up about doing clutch fluid service procedures on these newer. This would apply to this Hyundai Ionic, if that's how you pronounce it, as well as the Kia Niro, which appear to be the same vehicle. Um, the correct OE procedure is to have the factory scan tool. It will go through an automated procedure. It looks pretty neat, but there's other ways to do it. Would I do that in the field? If I had a factory scan tool, sure. Otherwise, here's what I would do. Um, Drain and fill the reservoir, which is in a not fun spot. I'd take a vacula, just suck it out, put some nice clean fluid back in it. Takes dot three, nothing crazy. Um, there is some cool screenshots in the procedure that shows you how to do it with the factory tool. But here's what I have found that we can do with the ALLDATA tool. Populate the vehicle, go into TCM, DCT, whatever you want to call it, and then under actuators, select clutch reference position check, and then you'll click this tick for idle. It'll go to running, and you have to do this key on, engine off. If you don't, you're going to see that. So, or not ready, whatever you want to call it in the hybrid world. So, I would do that probably three durations. It's going to time how much it runs that pump. Check your fluid level, do it a couple more times, and if all looks good, lower the vehicle down, go for a road test. If you got no codes, shift quality is okay, life is good, service is done. If not, do it again. So, hope this helps someone out. This is just my opinion on how to do it. This is probably not the right or the wrong way to do it. Take it for what it's worth.